Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kevin from Apexto. How have you guys been doing? In today's video, I would like to explain to you guys how to make the connection of hydro power cord. Before doing that, I would like to introduce which kind of electricity required to run Antminer S19 hydro miners. Our engineer told me that 3 phases electricity is required to run S19 hydro series, and their operating voltage range is from 347 to 412. Okay, let's get back to the hydro power cord. Here it is our power cable for S19 hydro series. I would like to remind you that Bitmain factory sends S19 hydro miners without power cables, but our company has hydro power cables in stock at our warehouse. So when you buy S19 hydro miners from our company, you can also buy the hydro power cables from us too. Okay, next I will show you how to make the connection of our hydro power cable. First, we need to connect hydro power cable to the hydro miner. This is very simple. We just need to plug it to the power socket. What customers are confused about is how to connect hydro power cable to the L switch. Okay, let me show you. There are 4 different color of wires. The red, blue, and green are the live wires, and this yellow one is ground wire. Here is an L switch. You need to connect these 3 live wires to 3 wiring ports, like this. There is no 1, 2, 3 order requirements for these 3 live wires. For example, we can collect them in the order of red, blue, and green. Also, we can collect them in the order of green, blue, and red. They both are fine. As for this ground wire of yellow, you need to connect it to the ground wire of your mining farm. Another thing is, if you have any problem in the aspect of electricity, I suggest you should ask for professional technician for help. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you have any question about the connection of hydro power cable, welcome to leave a comment. See you in next video. Bye bye.